Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and unpin your Snapchat My AI right there. So for that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and start our video. So let's go and open our Snapchat. Tap on this message box icon. There you will find your My AI, right? So if you tap and hold, if you go to chat settings, you won't be able to find an option called unpin or clear chat from feed. So for that, let's go to our profile, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called I need help there in support, and now tap on this My AI right here. And now if you scroll down, you will be able to find this option called how do I unpin or remove my AI from my chat feed. Tap on it. Now you will right interface with a solution. Apparently we followed this instructions, but we couldn't find that clear from chat feed. So since the function is not there in our Snapchat, what we're gonna do is tap on this X, and now we will choose in reason. So this article isn't accurate or doesn't match what I say in Snapchat. It is true. Tap on this submit option, and now what you're going to do is tap on this contact us, where you can go ahead and contact the Snapchat and tell them that I don't have a unpin option, I don't want my AI to be there, and the Snapchat support will look it up and will let you know how you can do it, what is the solution for it. So yes guys, if you got that function, you can simply see it. Go ahead, tap on hold on your profile on your My AI, you will get that clear feed. Otherwise you can go ahead and submit a request to Snapchat right there. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.